In 1941, a Swiss engineer went walking with his dog. Burrs stuck to the dog's fur. He looked at them under a microscope and invented Velcro. George de Mestral saw that burdock burrs had hundreds of tiny hooks that caught on loops. He spent the next decade trying to replicate it. The lion weaving industry turned him down. He found one weaver who helped. Cotton wore out. He switched to nylon. The patent was granted in 1955. NASA used Velcro in spacesuits. This made it acceptable. The word is a portmanteau of the French for velvet and hook. It is now on trainers, straps, backpacks, and surgical drapes. The entire thing started because a man was annoyed by his dog's fur.